Hey, so I am getting ready to go to some events today. Nothing super like exciting this morning, just some like pop-up type stuff. And I need to get ready. So I thought that I would just film it. I want to do like really clean skin, no foundation. I am wearing sunscreen, so that's like my main base. And then I might do a red lip, just to like, you know what I mean? I might just wear sunglasses, to be completely honest, throughout this whole thing. I'm gonna start off by just doing a little bit of color correction underneath my eyes with this NARS color corrector, which I've been liking. It's a really nice peach color. They have two colors, I think this is the light. Yeah, this is light. I'm using this little Sony like vlogging type camera thing, so I'm testing this guy out. Like audio and everything, let me know. It's not my phone. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty brush to blend that. Just like focusing it right where I have darkness. So this is a daytime thing. I'm gonna be wearing sunglasses. I just kind of want this to be like, I don't know, nice on the go makeup, you know? All right, so I'm using a couple of new concealers. So I'm gonna use the KVD Beauty. I don't know what this is called, but it's this concealer. So I have light 111 and light 105. I'm gonna use 111 directly under my eyes, just like just stamping it right there. And actually, I think I'm gonna use this just to do, actually I might just use this one, fuck it. And then I might do a little bit of highlighting with the lighter. Actually, let's just put it down, fuck it. What's going on? So I'm gonna use 105 now, which is quite light. They're both warm, to do a little bit of highlighting. And then I'm going to use that same brush by Fenty. What's this called? 230 blending. I'm using a patting motion. So this concealer is supposed to be like pretty full coverage, but while maintaining very lightweight. So I'm kind of just doing color correction with this. I'm not really trying to like super conceal any imperfections. My mouth just made the weirdest noise. I can only apologize for that. It's getting a little pilly on my lids. If it starts to get pilly, I'm just gonna like press with my fingers to make sure that I'm like pressing it into my skin, so I'm not like disrupting all the formulas, you know? I'm gonna focus this concealer like pretty much on my cheek, mostly underneath my, right where we put that color corrector for my dark circles. So I'm gonna mostly blend that out first. Taking whatever's left over in any other areas that I want to concealer brighten. And then I'm going to use that same brush to start blending out the highlighting area. Which I always like to do the tops of my cheekbones. All right, now I'm going to take my fingers, my ring finger, and I'm just going to press that into the skin. Then I'm gonna use a clean finger, go in and just continue to press it in, and this just kind of helps like further press it in and also pick up any like excess product if I, you know, put down a little bit too much. I just like to use this as insurance, especially for a daytime look. You don't want to have like way too much coverage, you know? Especially when you're not wearing foundation, it can look really weird if you're wearing like way too much concealer. All right, I'm actually gonna start off by contouring my nose this time, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow pencil. Let's see how this goes. So this is in the shade medium brown. So this is a slightly lighter color than the one that I used in that other video. It's also ever so slightly warmer. So using that Yano series brush to blend that out. Cute little clown. Cute little French clown, that's what I look like right now. I think this color is a little bit better. It's also blending out pretty well. I was worried that other brow pencils wouldn't be as creamy. I think I like that one better, actually. This one's always a little confusing. Shh. So I'm going to a Lancome event, an event that's happening at the Grove. If you guys know the Grove in LA, it's in West Hollywood. It's just like it's like a shopping center. But I think they're doing like a pop-up thing or something. The Ordinary, did I say that? Yeah, The Ordinary is doing like a pop-up thing at the Grove. And then tonight I have an event for ColourPop. They did a collaboration with some show, some like cartoon that I have heard of. I think it's on Netflix. The Last Airbender, Avatar, The Last Airbender or something like that. Yeah, I think I like this color way better. It's a little difficult because I do have some lights on right now. I'm working with like natural lights and artificial lights because the natural lights were just like so cool toned. What? The natural lighting was really cool toned. I'm gonna have to like step outside and see how it looks without the artificial lighting, you know? Especially for daytime. A lot of you guys were like kind of amazed at how natural using the brow pencil was. And obviously, like, I mean, this is Anastasia. If you can find a brow pencil that's drugstore, that's like a good color for you to contour with. I don't know, I don't really feel like I'm gonna go through it that quickly. So that KVD concealer is like really settling in my lines right now, unfortunately, which doesn't usually happen at this point. All right, for my blush, I'm gonna do that before I do my bronzer because I'm gonna use a powder bronzer. I'm gonna mix, I have these two things from Nude Sticks. Euphoric's Nudies Glow and then Naughty and Spice. And this one's like kind of peachy and iridescent. And this is Naughty and Spice and it's like a little bit more like plummy, like a lighter plummy shade. So I'm just going to use this brush by LaRousse and kind of like go between them. I'm gonna lightly stipple this on the top of my cheekbone. And then kind of just like blend it up and out. I've been really loving kind of like a sunburnt look with my blush recently. So I'm faking it with cream with this blush combination. But I'm wearing my sunscreen because I don't want to get sunburned. Just making sure everything looks good. Should I set now? Probably. I'm gonna use a very small amount. And I'm using the Soft Blend number 40 brush by Sigma. And then I'm gonna take whatever's left over on that brush, just like kind of around my face. Once again, cohesive colors. It's important. Okay, I really need a new bronzer brush. I'm thinking about getting the one from Smith that Gabby was using because I really liked that. So I'm gonna be using the Sigma Dream Blush Brush to bronze because I just don't have any other good ones right now. And I'm using my NARS San Juan. So cupping the cheekbone, bringing it up to the temple, and then blending it onto the cheek to marry it with that blush. I'm gonna keep my eyes really simple. I'm gonna tap between my Wayne Goss contour color and the NARS bronzer, between these two colors right here, and just like buff it. I just want like some definition. So starting on the outer part of the eye, I'm gonna wipe off my brush because that was a little much. Just kind of buff it all over the lid, up to the brow, and kind of like blending it into that temple contour that we did with the brow pencil. And I didn't use any like eye primer or anything. I'm just kind of going over my clean skin. And I'm gonna run that same combo under, on my lower lash line. I always say under. Just to give like a little bit of definition. This is like kind of a go-to, just like everyday look, you know, where it's like kind of defined, clean skin, it looks glowy and nice, but it's not too overdone. And it's relatively quick, despite the length of my tutorials. All right, I'm gonna do a light dusting of my Vesca Moonlight Highlight around my face. We've already got like quite a glow, but I just kind of want to like amp things up, you know? It's It's very annoying when my phone does that when I'm filming. Why is it so loud? People are so annoying with their loud cars. I hate that shit. All right, I'm gonna do a light filling with the Refi. I found out that it's called Refi. Thank you to everyone who commented that. Brushing that out. I'm gonna set those with a little bit of soap. Oh, I should highlight my inner corner. What the fuck am I doing? I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that Vesca in my inner corner. I mean, I am gonna be wearing sunglasses probably, but if I take them off, I want my inner corner to be popping, you know? Like, come on. So focusing it like right in the inner corner, but then I'm gonna take whatever is left over and just kind of like super blend it out. So I want this to glow. Okay, this little camera was overheating, so I did my mascara off camera. That's kind of annoying about this little camera. I've been filming for like 20 minutes. I used Clio Superproof Kill Lash Superproof, whatever it's called, the waterproof mascara, and then I went over it with Buxom. Now I'm gonna finish off with a red lip. So I think, I kind of want to try this Linda Hallberg lip liner. Looks pretty nice. So I'm just gonna pat, oh my god, any excess lip balm off. I haven't worn a red lip in a really long time. I'm nervous about this. Because I stopped trying, I tried to stop over. Maybe I'll, you know what, maybe I'll contour them with my brow pencil first, then go in with the red. So I'm gonna use that Anastasia brow pencil. Now I'm gonna go in with the Linda Hallberg Anger Mood lip liner. This is just gonna go over all of that. I'm gonna fill my lips in. Fuck. What the fuck? You see what just happened? I tried to like... Okay, I'm gonna go over that with the Color Stay Matte Light Crayon. This one is in the shade, this is Revlon by the way. This one's in the shade, I always forget that it's on the cap. Ruffled Feathers. It's like warm red. Okay, this Linda Hallberg lip liner is ruining everything right now. I'm pretty disappointed. I'm gonna leave the basic outline, but remove everything else. That looks crazy. Okay, going back in with Revlon. So annoying. Oh, I burned myself on a pan. This looks like way more intense than it is. It's actually a really bad burn, but it's fine. All right, guys, that's it. I actually need to go. So yeah, I don't know, whatever. This was just like a daytime glam get ready with me type thing. I wanted to keep the eyes like very basic. Kind of wanted like just a statement lip. I'm gonna be wearing a white top. Just kind of clean, you know? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see more like get ready with me type of videos, like when I'm actually getting ready. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'll be filming on this camera again because this was annoying, but yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.